Hematix Hematite Bracelet is marketed as a wellness bracelet that claims to improve circulation, relieve pain, increase energy, and promote overall health through the properties of hematite. The marketing can make it sound like a simple solution for a wide range of health concerns. But the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, hematite is a real mineral, and many people enjoy hematite bracelets for their appearance or personal beliefs. However, scientific evidence does not support claims that simply wearing a hematite bracelet can treat medical conditions or improve health. What it does well: stylish accessory. The bracelet has a sleek, metallic appearance that pairs well with casual and formal outfits. Comfortable to wear. Most hematite bracelets are lightweight and suitable for everyday use. Where the hype falls apart: health claims lack strong evidence. There is no reliable scientific evidence that wearing a hematite bracelet improves circulation, relieves pain, or treats medical conditions. It's not a medical device. A bracelet should not replace proven medical treatments or professional health care. Results are subjective. Any perceived benefits may vary from person to person and are not guaranteed. So, should you buy the Hematix Hematite Bracelet? Short answer: yes, if you're buying it as jewelry. If you like the design or enjoy wearing hematite for personal reasons, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to deliver the health benefits often advertised. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.